Today we're in High Biggins, which is just outside Kirkby Lonsdale, and we've got a property to SoftWash, really nice area, and we've got all the white render to treat and clean, and I'll wander you around. There's this area at the top here, and here, quite badly contaminated up there. You can see how bad that is, all of that. This wall, again, looking bad. I've set my ladders up already to get up on the balcony. Look at this for a garden, really nice. So at the top there on that balcony, and around this area, again, a lot of staining on there, around the bottom. And this area, I'm not sure how this is actually going to clean up here, because this watermark here, this has actually been eaten away at the render. So some of this might actually be missing. And so this courtyard, and at the top there as well. So let's see how we get on with this one. finished this property for today. There's still a bit more to do, and we'll do that next week after the coronation, so I'll show you around. Now, there was a lot of red staining up there, and this wall was particularly bad. Up on the balcony, don't know whether you can see that, I don't think you can, and around this area, again, this wall was really stained, and keep getting brighter. And it's drying all the time. Now, the only area that I said wouldn't clean up, well, it has cleaned up, but it's just that this is missing paint here, so that needs repainting. Well, overall, we're very pleased with this, and the customer's pleased. As I say, we'll be back on Tuesday to finish the front. Now, I'm not sure whether I'll do a video of that, but if you want to see a video, please leave a comment below. And if you've got any comments or any questions, please let me know. And like this video, please press subscribe, and you'll get notifications of future videos. And I'll see you on the next one.